Hi, my name is Catherine and today I'm going to show you the Beautycounter 5-minute face. I've been doing this makeup look for over a year now and I love these products, so I thought I would take a few minutes today to show you how you get this simple look with only just a few products. Alright, so the first step that I do for the Beautycounter 5-minute face is I use the Tint Skin Foundation in the color Sand. So this is what it looks like. And I just apply a little bit onto a foundation brush. So just squeeze a little bit out and I just kind of dab it in. Just kind of dab it in everywhere. Alright, so I just applied the Tint Skin Foundation in the color Sand. Next step is to apply the concealer. It comes in this nice little concealer pen and I believe I have the color Light. So you just kind of push the end of it and I just kind of put it under my eyes. And just some other like darker spots that I have on my face. But it's super easy to use and it works pretty well. So once you put a little bit of the concealer on, I take the same brush that I used for my foundation and I just kind of like dab it in. I don't really like brush it, I just kind of dab in. That seems to work a little bit better. Alright, so now that I've applied the foundation and concealer, I'm actually going to add a step here. This isn't technically part of the 5-minute face, but I'm going to use the mattifying powder. This product works really well and it really helps to set your makeup so that it'll really last all day long. If I don't use this, it's okay. But I feel like it just really helps to set your makeup in place and have it just looking even better. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of the powder, just kind of dip a brush in, get a little bit, and again, just kind of like press into your face all over. I kind of do it everywhere. You might only need it under your eyes though. Alright, so once you've applied the mattifying powder, you can move on to your blush. So I use the melon colored blush. That's kind of what it looks like. So I'll just take a little bit, put it on a brush. You don't really need much. Sometimes I kind of like to go back over with the brush I used for the powder and just kind of press again right under my eye just to make sure I didn't get too much blush up there. Alright, so we're getting closer to being done. So the next step that I do is my eyebrows. I use the brow pencil in the color Medium. So one side is a brush and one side is the pencil. So you're gonna take it and just kind of go over your eyebrow, pencil it in. after you pencil your eyebrows, I take the brush and I just kind of brush through them. That way it just kind of helps it to look a little bit more natural. All right, next up, I'm gonna use the volumizing mascara. So now I have both eyes done with the mascara. So the final step is lips. I'm gonna apply the Beautycounter lipstick in the color Rose. Comes in this beautiful case. I love their lipstick so much. They work really well, and this is my absolute favorite color, Rose. All right, so there you have it. That's the completed 5-minute face Beautycounter tutorial. This is definitely a great look for the weekday, going into the office, staying at home, running errands. So it really does only take 5 minutes. I think it took a little bit longer today because I'm kind of talking through some things, but it really only takes 5 minutes. So check it out and let me know if you have any questions about any of the products that I used in this video.